guys, good evening ladies and gentlemen. My name is Afro Carol. Today, as it is Monday, we are doing our dinner time. So today I am making some fish. I have fish here that I'm preparing for today. I have my tomatoes, some onion. Also I have some greens. Here is our greens that we are doing today, because today being a Monday, I'm doing some fish, greens, and some ugali. You know, some of you will be wondering what is ugali, because not everybody understands what ugali is. Ugali is posho. So in this house, we normally have, every day has its own food, and today being a Monday, I'm going to do this. So come along with me as I prepare our dinner, and also as I'm preparing this dinner, we are going to be sharing some stories here and there, not too much, not very little, but a comfort story or something that can encourage someone out there who would like to start a YouTube channel. Also, I would like to tell you people how I became a YouTuber, you know. And also guys, kindly I request you, like my channel, subscribe to it, give me a comment, ask me any question that you want to know about me, or how I cook, who am I. I'm ready to answer you guys. So give it a thumbs up, and also a note bell, so that each time when I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be noticed. So guys, come along with me as I prepare this fish. So this fish, I'm not going to cook it in soup, but I'm just going to wrap it in a foil paper, as I'm going to take you guys along as I'm wrapping it in the foil paper, and then I will show you people the finishing work now. Guys, this is the fish. I have already wrapped it in a foil paper. I make sure I wrap it very tight so that no air comes out of it. So even the oven is ready. I have heat the oven, so let me put it inside here. I will be making this fish for something like 30 minutes to 35 minutes. It will be ready because it is already been prepared. So I'm just warming it up, because normally when I do the fish with soup, many people don't like it, they just like it dry. So I decided just to dry it. That's how I prepare my fish every Monday. Doesn't mean that every Monday we only do fish. Sometimes I also do chicken, sometimes I also do meat. So come along with me as I prepare my green guys. So today I would like to share with you how I came to start my own YouTube channel. It was one day I had prepared, I think something that's small for my girl, and when she ate it, she was like, "Mother, you are so good when it comes to cooking. Why don't you start your own YouTube channel and you start showing people what you are good at, what you are capable of doing?" I hesitated a bit. What causes the hesitation? I think it is fear. You know, because I was like, how am I going to even show my face out there? What am I even going to show people? Am I that good in cooking? Am I that even good in creating something to put it out there for people? You know, she laughed and she told me, yes, you are. I trust you. I believe in you. You are very wonderful when it comes to even organizing the house. You know, you are very organized. You are so creative. You know, you are hardworking. I believe in you. So it gave me encouragement, although I had that fear and doubt. And I learned also when I read the Bible, where it says that God did not give us the spirit of fear, but He gave us the spirit of love and power, you know, to overcome the plans or the scheme of the So that's how I started this YouTube channel, to show you guys how I cook. With the time I'm going to start showing people then how I clean the house, how I arrange the house. I may not be able to show you guys the entire house, but I will show you what I can, you know. I'll be showing you what I can, and also some parts that I actually can show you guys, so that you see how I do my morning routine, how I do my evening routine, you know. So as I was talking about here, I know there are people out there, maybe you are a house manager, a single mother, you are a student, or you are just a mother, or a housewife, and you would like to start something, but the fear doesn't let you do what you are good at, you know. You keep thinking, how do I appear in that camera? What am I even going to show people? What am I even going to tell people? You know, first of all, I don't even know how to speak English. Second of all, I don't know whether they will understand my language. My dear, it is not about the English. It is about what you want, or what you know, what you can put out there and show people. If you are good at cooking, why not? If you are good at cleaning, why not? If you are good at baking, why not, guys? Why not? If you are good at teaching, you know, I don't think there's anything wrong with that. Yeah. Just start. Start something, guys, and let God be true, and let men be liars, you know. Because when you start something, I think if fear comes, the best thing to do is to trust in Him, and also to pray before you start anything that you want to start. You know, there are people who are good with even like designing houses, you know. You can start designing in your own house. You know, use what you have in your house to start something. Don't wait for someone to come from wherever they are coming from to teach you or to give you something. Or don't wait for somebody else to come and tell you, oh, you're so good at this. I didn't know. You know, sometimes not everybody will come and tell us that we are so good in what we know or in what we desire to do. Some people will definitely come to kill that talent that God put in you. If you are a good cook, somebody will tell you, you are not a good cook. This food you cook, this low food you cook, who is even interested in watching your videos? Let me tell you. Normally my mother says, if 10 people are seated or gathered, doesn't mean that all the 10 will deny you or reject you. No. 1 or 2 will like you. And those 2 will take you to places that you never imagined or dreamt that you will ever go. So guys, fear is a work of the devil. Never allow fear to start something, put you down. You know, always believe in yourself. Always do. If you do it today and it's not better, tomorrow wake up and say, I can do better than what I did yesterday. Wake up with confidence. Wake up with, you know, with that mind that tells you you are good at this. Tell yourself, Carol, you are good when it comes to cooking, and I trust you, and I know you can do it. And you will cook those nice food, by the way. Learn how to, you know, like to decorate. I'm not so good in decorating food like those chefs who design food in a plate, but if I put my mind in it and I'm willing to learn, I will become perfect. I don't need fear to put me down or to tell me you cannot do this. I can. So today, that is what I wanted to share with you guys. This delicious meal of mine. I have already boiled hot water here. fish I'm going to use for garlic, and also I'll take you guys along as I make that garlic. Our fish is here, it's doing so well, not bad. So get courage, start doing something, guys. Don't sit and fold your hands because time waits for no one. That's what I learned. If I had started this long ago, I don't know where I would have been by now. But I kept having this fear, doubt, thinking I can't do it, I'm not good at it. So after my daughter telling me I'm so good in cooking, I'm so good in organizing, I'm like, huh? Really? That's good. Then it ended that she grabbed my phone, created a YouTube channel for me, put everything that is required with YouTube, and she told me, you know what? Start doing the videos. If it is editing, I am here. I'll be your editor. And I'm like, you know what? I thank God for giving me such a brilliant child, although she goes to school. But I know when she's free, she also helps me. One day, one time, I will bring her to you guys to see her. Thank you for loving my YouTube. Thank you for watching, guys. Continue watching. I'm still preparing. My dinner is not yet ready. I'm just in the beginning. This is almost ready. Some salt to taste. I'm not going to put a lot of salt because the greens has already some salt on it. That is very nice. Because this greens was in freezer, a bit hard. It was frozen, and now I have to make it boil a little. It cooks a little more. Using a knife to separate it. Let me cover, let it simmer or let it boil a little before I add some more spices. Just a little spice to make it also tasty. But for now, let me give you guys. Welcome back, guys. So greens are ready. They are done. They are done long ago. So it is time for me to shift it. It's time for cooking our garlic. This water is already boiled. It is hot enough, but I will let it boil again because the saucepan was not hot. So I will let the water I'm using right now to make our garlic. The other one was slow. So this one is faster. The fire is more. You can see. This one is quicker because the heat is so much, and also it allows me to sit down. And so guys, our fish is done and ready. So what I'm only left with is to serve. But people are not yet back, but I know they are coming. Since today is the Monday, you understand the jam. Almost ready. It's ready. So I throw it here. So it looks good. So it is ready. God bless you guys.